Welcome to my channel Job Opening and Career. This channel is for education and career purpose. Please forward my video to other for this great opportunity. Indian Railways job, my dream job. Centralized employment notice no. CEN May 2024 for non-technical popular categories, graduates. Total post opening around 9,000 for chief commercial cum ticket. Station master. Goods train manager supervisor. Junior account. Senior clerk cum typist cum typist. Date of publication in our 13 September 2024. Opening of online registration of applications 14 September 2024. Closing of online registration of applications 13th October 2024 at 23:59 hours. Online applications invited by RRBs from eligible Indian nationals and other nationals as brought out at Para D of this CEN for the posts of non-technical popular categories. Chief Commercial cum ticket. Station master. Goods train manager supervisor. Junior account assistant. Senior clerk cum typist cum typist. Chief commercial cum ticket supervisor. 35400 18 to 33 years, 18 to 36 years, open post 1736. Station master 635400 18 to 33 years, 18 to 36 years, open post 994. Goods train manager 529,202 18 to 33 years, 18 to 36 years, post 3144. Junior account assistant cum typist 529,200 C2 18 to 33 years, 18 to 36 years, post 1507. Senior clerk cum typist 529,200 C2 18 to 33 years, 18 to 36 years, post 732. Click below link for placement. Graduate posts with minimum educational qualification of a university degree or its equivalent, and age between 18 to 36 years with 3 years relaxation. As per detail in CEN, as on 1st January 2025. Important instruction: registration and submission of application. 1. Candidates should ensure that they fulfill all eligibility conditions prescribed for the posts as on the closing date of online registration, i.e. as on 13th October 2024. Candidates waiting for final results of prescribed educational qualification should not apply. 2. Before filling up the online application, candidates are advised to thoroughly read all the instructions and information in the CEN available on the websites of RRBs. 3. Candidates are advised to visit only official websites of the RRBs as indicated at Para D20.0 of the CEN and be very careful about fake websites and job racketeers. 4. Candidates should have their own mobile number, valid and active personal email ID and keep the same i.e. mobile and email active for the entire duration of recruitment, as RRBs shall send all recruitment related communications only through SMS and email till the recruitment is completely over. RRBs will not entertain any request for change of mobile number and email address at any stage. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.